Hi, this is Solly Jo Lewis from Posh Chalk Interiors here in Leeds. This is a furniture workshop where people come to learn how to decorate their furniture.
Music is a world within itself, with a language we'll understand.
Whether you're a business, whether you're just somebody that wants to decorate their own furniture, spruce it up, whether it's your grandmother's old piece of furniture, or whether you want to buy something from the charity shop, again, this is the place to come. Here at Posh Chalk Interiors, we only use Friend Chic paints. We are an official stockist of the Friend Chic range. We are also the sole distributor for the new Would You Bend mouldings.
We can feel it all over people.
We believe in not only teaching you how to paint, but teaching you how to relax. It's also a fantastic place for a hen do. It's a fantastic place for a party. Why don't you come down, have a class with us, come and relax, bring your friends down and really have a good time. See you soon.